Hi guys, I am ARSLAN and you are watching a tips YouTube channel. Guys, I am sharing with you today a cool trick of Windows 10. Let's get started with AERO Shake. This cool trick is an that's been around since Windows 7 and it still works today with Windows 10. If the screen is getting cluttered with open windows, you could just minimize each window individually, but instead I will show you a faster way. Left click on the title bar of the programs you are working with and with left mouse button held down, shake your mouse back and forward from left to right to minimize all the windows, and if you want to bring other windows back up, just shake your mouse again, and that's all there is to it. Guys, keep watching my videos on YouTube. Just subscribe, like and share it. Tell your friend about this channel. Goodbye.